Let's take a look at my thrifted, vintage, and refashioned polka dot dress collection, starting off strong with this gorgeous green number, and now moving on to the most comfortable polka dot dress on the planet. It is so loose and easy breezy. Next up, we have this one that I actually refashioned years ago. The tutorial for it is over on my channel and blog, and who could forget my largest polka dots in the world wrap dress that I thrifted online. Moving right along, here's another gorgeous asymmetrical dress. I also thrifted this one online. It is fabulous. And this one I actually inherited, and it is a wonderful 1950s polka dot dress. This one here had holes all around the bottom hem, and you can see I patched them with iron-on patches, and I'm not really sure if I'm going to keep this one as a two-piece or if I'm going to put it together and make it into a dress. Let me know down below. And here's another one that I inherited. I absolutely love navy blue and white polka dots. And of course, this beautiful 80s dress with the ruffles on the shoulders. And last but certainly not least, my amazing refashioned vintage pink polka dot dress, plus the shoes that I painted to match it.
This is Confessions of a Refashionista.